tipos de materials. Tiples. Gutuierrrez. Tiples. Phillips screwdriver. Flat screwdriver. Forceps. Insulating tape. Multimeter. Switch. Focus. Breaker. Cable. Gloves.
Profes.
Obilvers and Diego. And today I'm going to be talking about series and parallel. And each of those stand for a resistor, and so this would be a series circuit. Remember, it's a closed circuit, so there's a loop where electricity can flow the whole way around. An ammeter which is going to measure the amps. We then got wires connected to a light bulb, back to a switch, and then back to the electric current again, and so this would be a series circuit because electricity is going to flow in this direction through the electric current and then back through the bulb and then back again, and so when I turn it on we can see that electrons are flowing. We've got 0.14 amps, and then it's running through a light bulb, and so these rays around the outside of the light bulb show you how much light is being given from it. And so the first thing I'd like to do, let me turn it off for just a second, so let me open the circuit for a second. It is kind of get a sense for how much electricity is coming out or how much current is flowing through there, and what's how much light are we getting off of that. And now I'm going to add another light bulb, and I'm gonna put it in series, so let me add another light bulb here. I have to break this, split the junction, and let me connect to both sides of that, and let me move it down so it looks a little better. Okay, so now we've got two light bulbs, we've got the same electric current. You kind of remember how much light you're getting at it before, and you remember the speed, and so let's turn this one on now. Okay, so in a series circuit what we have now is those two bulbs are not as bright, and the reason why, and if you remember how much speed we were getting, how much current we were getting, remember it was 0.14 amps, and so in a series circuit if we add more resistance we're gonna decrease the amount of current, and as a result we're gonna have dimmer light bulbs, and so the current is going to be the same through every component in a series circuit. And so the other thing about a series circuit is, let me remove this, so let me split the junction. Okay, so when I split the junction there I cut that wire, and so it wasn't connected anymore, and so both bulbs went out. And so the two things that you should learn, number one is that in a series circuit all of them have to be working for current to flow, and the second thing is that they all have the same amount of current both.
Vocabulari.